West LA, your tech troubles are officially over in 2024. That's right, the wizards at West LA Computer Expert have swapped their New Year's bubbly for soldering irons and antivirus spells. We're here, we're caffeinated, and we're ready to conquer any tech issue that dares to cross your path. Think, slow PC that's more snail than stallion? Network playing hide-and-seek with your Wi-Fi? Malware taking a 5-star vacation on your hard drive? No problem. Our team of tech titans has more tools in their belts than Batman, and enough know-how to make Einstein himself say, "Whoa, dude." Here's what we're serving up in 2024. Lightning-fast repairs. We'll have your PC purring like a kitten faster than you can say, "Reboot." High voltage. Network magic. We'll turn your tangled web of wires into a symphony of speed and security. Virus vanquishing. Say goodbye to creepy crawlies in your digital world. We'll banish them to the bite-sized beyond. Data defense. We'll build a fortress around your files, so safe even Fort Knox will be jealous. Upgrade expertise. Need a new PC that can handle anything you throw at it? We'll be your personal Gandalf, guiding you to the perfect tech mount. West LA, your digital oasis awaits. Don't let tech troubles hold you back from conquering 2024. Call us, visit us, or send us a carrier pigeon with your woes. We're here to make your tech life stress-free and smooth as a freshly paved LAN party highway. P.S. Share this post with your tech-challenged friends and family. We're spreading the digital love in 2024, one rescued computer at a time. Red Heart.